Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football, how to put a player on IR. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To put a player on IR, which is injured reserve, in ESPN Fantasy Football, what you need to do is you need to check the requirements to use IR. Your league must have at least one IR slot set up, then the player must be officially listed as out, injured reserve or suspended. Now to do it, what you need to do is head over and open up your ESPN Fantasy app, and then once you're inside, simply tap on the login option on the bottom of your screen and then tap on it. Once you're inside, simply enter in your credential. Now once you're logged into your account, go to your Fantasy Football League, then simply tap on My Team. Now once you're inside, find the injured player who has a red O, IR or SUS tag, then simply tap the player's name, then tap the three dots or move, and then once that's done, you'll find an option that says move to IR. Simply select it. Now you'll be prompted a dialog box to confirm the transfer. Simply tap on confirm to move. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.